Hi everyone, it's Femi here. So some weeks ago, I asked you guys via my community page if you would like to see a video where I talk about all the fintech apps I use on my phone to make money, invest my money, and save my money. And over 80% of you guys said sure. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you guys the 12 fintech apps that I use on my phone for everything money. Now, these apps are making me over $4,000 every month. Before I go on, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Femi and I'm a crypto trader and I make videos on crypto, personal finance, and how to make money online. So if you love content like this, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and help me get to 50,000 subscribers. Thank you. The first app I'll be talking about is the BINANCE app. Now, there are so many things you can do on the BINANCE app. You can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. You can trade your cryptocurrencies. You can earn passive income with your cryptocurrencies on Binance. You can buy and sell NFTs on the app, and you can use the app to make crypto payments from anywhere around the world. Now, as a crypto trader myself, this is my main crypto trading app. I use the app for most of my futures trades. And I've been using the Binance app since 2019, and it's been my best fintech app for a very long time. Now, if you're interested in learning how to use the Binance app, or maybe you want to learn how to use the different features on the Binance app, I have a playlist on my channel that consists of different Binance tutorials to guide you. I'll put the link to that playlist in the description below. And also, if you want to register on Binance, you can use my referral link, which is also in the description below. You'll be getting 10% discount on all your trade fees for life. For number 2, I have BYBIT. Now, this is another app for buying and selling your cryptocurrencies, trading cryptocurrencies, and any passive income with your crypto. Now, aside from the Binance app, the BYBIT app is also an app that I also use for trading crypto, just that I use the Binance app more. Now, I've been using the BYBIT app since 2021, and it's a very good crypto trading app, and it is very simple to use for beginners. Also, if you need tutorials on how to use the BYBIT app, I have a playlist for that on my YouTube channel. I'll put the link to that playlist in the description below. For number 3, I have Udemy. Now, the Udemy app is an app where you can find various online courses, both free and paid courses. Now, irrespective of the subject or topic or skill you want to learn, you will definitely find a course for yourself on Udemy. So if you have any skill you want to learn, Udemy is a good place to start. Now, the main thing, how do I make money on Udemy? Now, in case you don't know, I have a paid course on Udemy, which is the complete crypto trading course for beginners. Now, it is a course where you're going to be learning different strategies to trade crypto to make money and even turn it to a source of income for yourself. And as at the time of recording this video, the course has over 360 students on Udemy, and it is rated 4.6 out of 5 on Udemy. Now, this is a course I would definitely recommend to anyone looking to start crypto trading. And if you're interested in registering for the course, the link to register will be in the description below, or you check the pinned comment in the comment section. Also, I will advise you that if you have a sound knowledge on any topic or a skill, you can create a course around it and upload it on Udemy to sell. You can make money through that. For number 4, I have the KEBLE app. Now, the KEBLE app is an app that allows you to invest in local and global real estate properties with as low as $10, and then you get interest on your money. Now, I use the KEBLE app to invest in real estate properties both in Nigeria and outside Nigeria, and I've been using the app since June of 2022, and it's been one of my best investment apps since then. Now, if you want to know more about the KEBLE app, I've created so many videos on how to use the KEBLE app, how to invest and make money on the app, and so on. The link to that playlist will also be in the description below. You should check it out. For number 5, I have SquareRoof app. Now, this is another app for investing in real estate properties in Nigeria. Now, you can start investing on the SquareRoof app with as low as 15,000 naira. Now, I've been investing on the app since August of 2022, and I once made a video about the app. So if you want to learn more about the SquareRoof app also, I'll put the link to that video in the description below. The next fintech app on my phone is the Trove App. Now, if you've been a long-time subscriber on my YouTube channel, you should know that the Trove App is an app that I love a lot, and I've been using it since 2020. Now, it is an app that allows you to invest in Nigerian and foreign stocks with as low as $10. You can even invest in ETFs, index funds, and rates on the app. Now, if you want to know more about the app, how to invest and make money on the Trove App, I have a playlist that contains videos on all these topics. I'll put the link to that playlist in the description below. Now, before I go to number 7, if you watch this video to this point, kindly like this video. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and help me get to 50,000 subscribers. Thank you. For number 7, I have the Bamboo app. Now, this is another app that allows you to invest in foreign stocks from Nigeria. Now, I decided to create an account on the Bamboo app in 2022 to see how the app works. And to be honest, guys, the app is really simple to use and I really love it. It shows you what the top investors are buying and investing in. Top investors like Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, and so on. And also on the app, you can invest in fixed returns. That is, you invest in dollars and get a fixed return after your investment period. And if you need a video to guide you on how to use the Bamboo app, you check the description below for the link. The next fintech app on my phone is the KEBLE app. Now, this is an app that helps you to save and invest your money. It helps you to keep emergency funds and to also invest in mutual funds. Now, I've been saving my money on the KEBLE app since 2018, and the app has really helped me. It is definitely an app I would recommend to anyone who wants to save money towards a goal. Now, for number 9, I have the KuCoin app. Now, this is an app for also buying and selling cryptocurrencies, for trading cryptocurrencies, and for investing in cryptocurrencies. Now, unlike the BINANCE and BYBIT apps that I use for crypto trading, I don't use the KuCoin app for trading. All my assets on the KuCoin app are strictly for investing in different cryptocurrencies. And this is because I prefer to separate my trading account from my investment account. For number 10, I have Payoneer. Now, this is an app for receiving payments from international platforms. Now, I use the app to receive my payments from Udemy. Now, in case you don't know, you can pay for my crypto trading course on Udemy and on my personal website. So for payments that are made on Udemy, I get the payment through my Payoneer account. And if you also have a Payoneer account and maybe you want to learn how to withdraw from your Payoneer account to your Nigerian bank account, I have a tutorial on that. I'll put the link to that tutorial in the description below. The next fintech app on my phone is Flutterwave. Now, the Flutterwave app is an app for receiving payments from local and international clients or customers. Now, like I said earlier, you can pay for my crypto trading course on Udemy or on my website. Now, for payments that are made on Udemy, I receive the payments through Payoneer, like I said earlier, while for payments that are made on my website, I receive them through Flutterwave. And the app has really made it easy for me to receive payments from my students and from my Signal Group subscribers. And if you're a business owner, I would really advise you to start using Flutterwave to receive payments. It is very easy to use. For number 12, I have the Gray app. Now, this is an app for sending and receiving payments across different countries in the world. On the app, you can create a dollar account, an account for receiving pounds, and an account for receiving euros. Now, I use this app mainly to receive payments in dollars and pounds, and sometimes I use to withdraw my funds from my Payoneer account to my Naira Bank account. So these are the 12 fintech apps that I use on my phone. I use these apps to make money, invest my money, and save my money. Don't forget to check out the links to all the videos that I mentioned in this video. I'll put the links in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.